I think one sentence has stopped more people from starting YouTube than anything else. I don't know enough. Somewhere along the way, we started believing that the only people allowed to teach are the ones who know everything, the experts, the professionals, the people with thousands of subscribers or years of experience. But the truth is, that's not actually who most people learn from. People love learning from someone who's only a few steps ahead. Think about the last time you learned something new. Maybe it was how to use your smartphone, plant tomatoes, or something around the house. Sometimes the person who explained it best wasn't the world's greatest expert. It was someone who had just figured it out themselves, because they still remember what it felt like to be confused. They remembered the questions, the mistakes, the little details that experts sometimes forget. And I think that's incredibly valuable. I know because that's exactly how I started this YouTube channel. When I discovered ChatGPT, I wasn't trying to become an AI teacher. Honestly, I was just trying to figure it out. I'd ask a question, I'd learn something new, I'd get excited, then I'd think, wait, someone else probably needs to know this too. So I turned my camera on and I explained what I had just learned. Not because I knew everything, but because I remembered what it felt like not to know. And something unexpected happened. People started watching. Not because I was the smartest person talking about AI, but because I explained it in a way that made it feel less scary. Experts often skip steps. Beginners can't, and that's actually your advantage. When you've only recently learned something, you still remember exactly where people get stuck. You remember which button was confusing, or which word didn't make sense, which mistake that you kept making. That makes you an incredible teacher, not despite being a beginner, but because you're still close to the beginning. Imagine two people teaching someone how to ride a bicycle. One learned 50 years ago. They've forgotten what the first day felt like. The other learned just last month. They remember exactly what it felt like to wobble, exactly what made balancing click. Who do you think the nervous beginner might connect with more? Sometimes the person who's just ahead is the best guide. There are a million YouTube videos about how to grow on YouTube, but there were almost zero videos about how to grow on YouTube when you're 55 and you just learned what CapCut is last Tuesday. That's a gap, and gaps are where subscribers come from. Because when someone searches for something specific and they find a video that feels like it was made for them, not for creators in general, but for them, they subscribe. Not because you asked them to, because they finally found someone who gets it. So I want you to think about the things that you've Googled in the last month that felt kind of embarrassing. The things you were afraid to ask because you thought everyone else already knew. Those are your video topics. If you wondered it, I promise you, thousands of other people are wondering it too. And nobody is making the video for them. So here's what I'd like you to do today. Don't plan a series. Don't wait until you've mastered everything. Just ask yourself one simple question. What did I learn this week that I didn't know last week? That's it. Maybe it was something inside ChatGPT. Maybe it was a YouTube setting. Maybe it was how to organize your photos on your phone. Maybe it has nothing to do with technology at all. Now, imagine explaining that one thing to one person, not to impress them, just to help them. That's your next video. The internet doesn't need another person pretending to know everything. It needs more people willing to say, here's something I learned today. Because that's real, that's honest. And honestly, that's how most of us learn. You don't have to be an expert. You only have to be helpful. There are people out there today stuck exactly where you were a week ago. And the lesson that feels small to you might be the one that finally helps them move forward. So don't wait until you know everything. Teach what you know today. Then learn something new tomorrow. And remember, there are people who need to hear what only you can say. I'll see you in the next video.